Look, it's uploading. Look, I'm doing it. Boom. Okay, let's go to school. I think I'm gonna clean my desktop so you can actually see my new beautiful background. Just warning you guys now, this vlog might be full of sneezes because all I've been doing today is this. Hapshi, 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 hapshi. Just letting you know. You know, since we really didn't do much in today's vlog, we're gonna scream in different pitches. Normal pitch, high pitch, and low pitch. Ready? Now, high pitch. And now low pitch. Yep. I'm taking a break from this because this is taking forever. And then I'm just gonna switch subjects to science. As much as I like geography, because geography is like my favorite class, some of the stuff just takes forever to do. Like, seriously, like, look at this. Takes forever. And then, yeah. So I'm just gonna switch over to science. Let's see here, 249, I think. Yeah, there's 5 questions. I think it is the right page. Damn it. 149? No. Something 49, 149 maybe. I gotta sneeze. Oh, maybe it went away. 149, got it. Oh, why is there sand all over my book? Let me try and... The hell? I don't even know, it's just a stupid picture. I thought it was real at first, so I thought I had to vlog it. Well, before I forget, because I almost did, I'm not going to edit tonight, I'll edit tomorrow, sorry. I'm just really tired, I want to get to bed. Anyway, good night, good morning, subscribe, Facebook, Twitter, Google+, everything, goodbye.